Hey y'all, today we're making barbecue baked chicken, shrimp Alfredo, cheesy broccoli, and cauliflower. This the MotelMealQueen, y'all. So what you're gonna do is cut you up an onion. Yes, it's gonna make you cry, but so are gas prices. Throw that into a pan, put that on top of those onions. Put it in that black+decker, baby. That's my boo. You're gonna take your chicken out after 15 minutes, flip it over. And then you're going to put it back in the oven. You're going to pull it out, flip it over again, and this is where you're going to add your barbecue sauce. This is where it gets sweet and juicy. Go ahead and brush that barbecue sauce on top of that chicken, baby. Put it back in the oven and let it cook. When you bring it out, it should look something just like this, nice and shiny and juicy. Now let's get to these noodles, baby. I've already pre-boiled mine. I'm gonna take them out. I'm gonna put them in my little mixing bowl with some cold water. Ice those up. We're gonna put some butter in a skillet. In that skillet, we're gonna throw in that shrimp. After we throw that shrimp in, we're gonna season that shrimp. We're gonna season it with some Old Bay. We're gonna add some black peppercorn to that. After that, we're gonna add some onion powder. After that, we're gonna add my favorite, chicken bouillon, baby. Chicken bouillon. So we're gonna go ahead and stir that shrimp up, baby. Let that shrimp cook. Don't cook it all the way. We don't like it tough. Here's the part where you're gonna add in your fettuccine Alfredo sauce. Add in some 4 cheese because I don't have my footage, but whatever you like. I'm pretty sure it tastes great. Now let's get into this my Alfredo. I'm gonna go in with some Lawry's and pre-season my noodles. I like flavor in mine. I went in and I added in my red cherry tomatoes. And I'm just gonna stir that pasta until I can't stir it no more. Stir that pasta like your life depends on it, pretty much. Here I'm gonna go in and add some more 4 cheese because it wasn't thick enough for me. I want my Alfredo cheesy, ooey, and gooey. So I'm adding in some Italian seasoning to that because I like a little flavor to my pasta. And here we go. This is what it came out like. Looks very good, tastes very good, nice and cheesy. Noodles are done. This pasta is made for Alfredo heaven. What do you think? Let me know below. Do you think that your pasta tastes better than mine? What do you think? Can you believe I made this in a motel? Here's a slow-mo reversal mode coming up for you guys. Enjoy. All right, so let's get into this cheesy broccoli and cauliflower. In your skillet, you're gonna put some butter. You're gonna add some Lawry's. You're gonna add some chicken bouillon, baby. Chicken bouillon. Then you're gonna add some onion powder. Onion powder tastes great with everything. You're gonna let that cook pretty much until it's done. So now I'm gonna go in and plate my baby's kids' plates. Here is my baby's plate. Here's her serving of her fettuccine. She'll have 3 shrimp on the side. And here is her serving of her cheesy veggies because I need my kids to eat vegetables. Here's her croissants, and she'll have 1 chicken leg drumstick. Here is my oldest plate. Likes to try things different. Here's her cherry tomato. She'll have 2 shrimp on the side. And here's her serving of veggies, her croissant, and her meat. Here we'll go in and make my plate. I need mine a little more heftier because I like a little meat on my plate. And check that out, y'all. Can you guys believe I made this in a motel? Like and comment and subscribe. Comment below if you making food like this in your motel. If you ain't making food like this and you living in a big house, I'm judging you if you still eating struggle meals. Motel meal.